A German luxury sedan hiding a 5.7L American V8, and it looks this clean doint 1989 Mercedes-Benz 190 Restomod in a world where performance cars scream for attention with oversized wings and neon aggression. This machine takes a different approach. It doesn't shout, it whispers power. What you're looking at is a transformed Mercedes-Benz 190E, a car originally built to represent the peak of compact German engineering in the late 1980s. A sedan designed for precision, balance, refinement, a machine meant to glide through highways with quiet authority and understated confidence. But this example is no longer just a Mercedes-Benz. It is something far more dangerous. Under the hood, where a modest four-cylinder or inline-six once lived, now rests a 5.7-liter EFI TPI V8 engine, an American heart transplanted into a European body, fuel-injected, torque-heavy, and brutally efficient in its delivery. This is not a subtle upgrade. It is a complete personality shift. The moment you turn the key, the identity of the car changes. The calm German executive sedan disappears, and something louder, heavier, and more aggressive awakens. Paired with a 4-speed 700R4 automatic transmission, the power delivery is smooth yet commanding. Each gear pulls with effortless torque, designed not for racing circuits alone, but for real-world dominance, street cruising, highway pulls, and that deep, satisfying surge of acceleration that modern turbo engines try to replicate but rarely match. This is old-school muscle blended with European discipline, and that combination is rare. From the outside, the car still respects its origins. The iconic boxy silhouette of the W201 remains intact, but now it wears a custom two-tone black and white finish. A visual contrast that gives the car a split personality, elegance on one side, aggression on the other. The European-style headlights sharpen its expression. Cleaner, more focused, almost clinical in their precision. At night, they cut through darkness like surgical instruments rather than simple lighting. At the rear, a full-width spoiler stretches across the trunk, not just for aesthetics, but as a statement. This isn't just a luxury cruiser anymore. It's been reimagined with a hint of touring car inspiration, as if it belongs on a German autobahn at triple-digit speeds. Stable and unshaken, step closer, and the details begin to reveal themselves. Four-wheel disc brakes sit behind the wheels, providing stopping power worthy of the V8 living under the hood. Power steering ensures the car remains approachable, even with its increased performance potential. And beneath the surface, the Mercedes chassis still does what it has always done best: maintain composure at speed. Open the door, and the transformation continues. Inside, the cabin blends vintage German luxury with aftermarket personality. Gray seating surrounds the driver in a simple but functional layout. Power seats adjust with ease, power windows respond instantly, and the air conditioning still functions, keeping this classic surprisingly livable in modern conditions. A chrome aftermarket steering wheel sits at the center of it all, catching light with every movement, reminding you that this is not a factory original machine anymore. It is a personal vision brought to life. AMG-branded floor mats hint at performance heritage, even if the true AMG DNA here is more aesthetic inspiration than factory lineage. Above, a moonroof opens the cabin to the sky, allowing light and air to enter a space that was originally designed for quiet luxury, now redefined for modern cruising enjoyment. Every detail feels intentional, nothing accidental, nothing left untouched. Even the mileage reading, 11,512, though listed as unknown, adds to the mystery of this build. Is it a preserved time capsule or a reborn machine with a new identity entirely? Either way, it carries the presence of something that has not lived an ordinary life, and that is exactly the point. This Restomod is not trying to compete with modern supercars. It is not trying to be the fastest, the loudest, or the most technologically advanced. Instead, it exists in a category of its own, a category where personality matters more than lap times, where character outweighs specifications, where a German luxury sedan can be reborn with American muscle and still feel cohesive, balanced, and undeniably unique. Even the price, $22,995 less, feels like an invitation rather than a limitation. A chance to own something that cannot be replicated easily, because builds like this are not mass-produced. They are assembled, engineered, and imagined by enthusiasts who refuse to let automotive history stay frozen in its original form. This is what happens when eras collide, when Stuttgart meets Detroit, when refinement meets raw torque, when silence meets thunder. The result is a machine that doesn't just transport you from place to place, it makes every journey feel like a scene from a film. And in that moment, behind the wheel of this V8 swapped Mercedes-Benz 190e Restomod, you realize something simple but powerful. This is not just a car. It is a statement written in metal, fuel, and sound.